Now we are going to discuss the solution of second question. The second question is describe the concept of hypothesis space in machine learning. Explain the algorithm finders. Find a hypothesis by finders for the following instances in a training set. The instances of training set is given in a tabular form. In machine learning, the hypothesis space H is the set of all possible hypotheses that the learning algorithm can choose from the explain the data. Each hypothesis represents a potential mapping from input features to output labels. For example, if we have attributes like origin, color, type, etc., the hypothesis space includes all the possible combinations of these attributes and their generalizations. The purpose of finders algorithm is it is a concept learning algorithm that finds the most specific hypothesis consist with all the positive examples in the training data. The steps to find S algorithm are first initialize the hypothesis H to the most specific possible hypothesis. Second, for each positive training example, first if the attribute in H is theta, replace it with attribute value from the example. Second, if the attribute value in H differs from the example's value, replace it with H. Otherwise, leave it unchanged. Third, ignore all the negative examples. Fourth, output that is the final hypothesis H. To find this algorithm in the given training set, we have to follow some following steps. Step 1 is initialize. H is the most specific hypothesis. Second, process the first positive example, that is H equals Japan Honda Blue 1980 economy. Step 3, skip all negative examples, that is skip row 2 and 4 because they are negative. Step 4, process the second positive example, that is Japan Toyota 1990 economy. Compare with the current edge, that is Japan Honda Blue 1980 economy. Step 5, process the third positive example, Japan Honda White 1980 economy. For final hypothesis, output of finders algorithm is H equals to origin is Japan, manufacturer we don't know, color we don't know, decade we don't know, type is economy. So this means the hypothesis predicts positive for any car that has origin Japan and type economy and ignores all other attributes. That is for today. Thank you.